Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 times faster download speed on FitGirl Repack games. I show you guys how to do it. Right now I am getting download speed as you can see 10, 20. Lower than that. Just right click on it and select the pause option and then go to options and select preferences and go to connections and port used incoming connections. Type here 10734 and then go to bandwidth and maximum upload rate, set this to 100. Global download rate, set this to 0 so that it can be ultimated. Global maximum number of connections, set this to 2000. Maximum number of connected peers per torrent, set this to 1500. Number of upload slots per torrent, set this to 25. Check mark this option and then go to BitTorrent and check all these options except this limit local peers bandwidth and enable astrolytic mode, uncheck both and other things checked. Go to general and when downloading up and to incomplete files, check mark it and pre-allocate all files, check mark it and go to advanced and in here find DHT rate. As you can see, DHT rate, set this rate to 2. After typing value to 2 and select set option, now the DHT rate to set to 2. And now find RSS update interval. As you can see, RSS update interval, set this value to 20 and select the set option. And after setting it, select the apply and OK for save changes. And now you just need to close the torrent. Close the torrent in here as well. Just right click and select exit option and select yes. And now reopen the torrent. After reopening the torrent, you just need to go to search menu and tap Windows Security. Click on open it and select the virus and threat protection. Select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. And navigate to downloads folder and select the game that you trying to download guys. I'm trying to download this game, the same name folder. You just need to select it and then select folder option and now the game has been added to this list guys. As you can see, downloads and the game folder. After adding the path, just close stuff here and now right click on the game and select post start. As you can see, the download speed, I only get 10 kbps. Now I'm getting 10 mbps speed. And that's how you can increase the uTorrent download speed, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.